Good medical morning. Previously, we looked at this dilated pore and determined that the image was indeed real. Today, we're going to tell you the full story about this incredible dilated pore of Weiner. Before we get started, please check out the best pimple pops from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. Also, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So the video comes from TLC UK, and the case is of a 55-year-old blackhead on the face that was treated by Dr. Sandra Lee. And click like if she's your favorite pimple popper. The patient said that the last time she popped it was in 1975. She quit popping it in the 70s because it became too painful to pop. Dr. Lee convinced the lady to allow her to pop and cut out the blackhead. Critics of Dr. Lee stated that by removing the skin around the blackhead, she gave the woman a crooked smile. They say it was like doing a facelift on only half of the face. I'm not personally that critical, but feel free to leave your support for Dr. Sandra Lee below. Let's look at a before and after image. Wow. Don't forget, you can get rid of your pimples before they get this bad with a pimple popper kit. We'll put an Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.
Hey, my name's Leah. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.